Have you ever heard of the Tunguska Event? A colossal explosion, a mysterious fire in the sky, a vast Siberian forest flattened in 1908. This is a tale that has intrigued scientists and history buffs alike for more than a century. Picture this. It's a typical morning in the remote Siberian wilderness. Suddenly the sky ignites, a fireball or pillar of fire according to the local Evenki natives. The earth shudders under the force of a tremendous explosion. This was no ordinary blast, it was a detonation powerful enough to be felt thousands of kilometers away. Even in distant parts of Europe, the nights turned as bright as day, possibly due to atmospheric scattering of sunlight by ice particles high in the atmosphere. Fast forward to 1927, when Leonid Kulik, a member of the Soviet Academy of Sciences, led the first expedition to the Tunguska site. What he found, or rather didn't find, added another layer to the mystery. There was no impact crater. Instead, he discovered an area of scorched and knocked down trees spread out radially. Later studies and expeditions uncovered microscopic silicate and magnetite spheres in the soil and tree resin. Scientists believe these could only have been produced by a high-temperature event. Speculation swirled. Was it a comet or an asteroid that caused such devastation? Some scientists argued for a comet composed mainly of ice, which would have disintegrated and vaporized in the atmosphere, causing the explosion, but leaving no crater. Another theory, the airburst hypothesis, suggests that an extraterrestrial object exploded in the atmosphere. This theory aligns with the lack of a crater and the patterns of treefall. So, what exactly happened on that fateful morning of June 30th, 1908, at around 7:17 a.m. near the Tunguska River in Siberia? The shockwaves were felt minutes after the explosion, and atmospheric disturbances were observed thousands of kilometers away. Days later, night skies were illuminated in parts of Asia and Europe. After weighing the evidence, the most plausible explanation for the Tunguska event seems to be the airburst hypothesis. Picture an extraterrestrial object, likely a comet, entering Earth's atmosphere and disintegrating before reaching the ground. The explosion caused by this disintegration resulted in the observed devastation. The lack of a crater, the patterns of treefall, and the presence of microscopic silicate and magnetite spheres all support this theory. In conclusion, the Tunguska event, one of the most significant and mysterious events of the 20th century, continues to fascinate us. While the airburst hypothesis offers the most consistent explanation with the available evidence, the event serves as a stark reminder of the potential threats from space and the importance of continued astronomical observation and study. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the mystery of the Tunguska event and the secrets it still holds.